Hi everyone, my name is Irina and welcome to my small channel. I do unpackings, some grab bags from Goodwill, and I'm a treasure hunter. Obviously, as you hear, English is my third language, so I'm really sorry for my accent. So let's unpack this Goodwill bag, which came very dirty. I don't know why. I hope my jewelry is okay there. I'm really nervous. And it was a small order. I get it very cheap, something like $30 maybe. And delivery was extra $12 or something. So it should be a very great deal for me. Oh my god. This envelope is really strong, so I will just cut it. Oh. Okay. My hands are already dirty. So, jewelry is fine, I guess. It survived. Let's see what I've got for $30. Ooh. Oh my god, this stone is so beautiful. Is it signed? Yes, it's signed Avon. It has some wear signs, but the stone is just gorgeous. Looks like amethyst, but it's not because it's Avon, you know. Ooh, this one is copper and signed what? Oh, Renoir. Oh, Renoir. Does anybody knows what is Renoir? Something French for sure, but is it something worth? I don't know, but it looks very beautiful and in a good shape. I like it. Put it here. It should has its second one, its pair. I hope so. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Necklace. I think it's choker. God, what's wrong with this closure? Close. Oh, okay. That wasn't easy to get, you know. It's signed to what it says. I don't see what it says. Just a minute. Dora? Dora? I don't know. I should Google it. This one is enamel. It looks very expensive, heavy, and well made. Great. I think just this necklace could actually pay the whole lot, you know, the whole bag. Clip-on earrings are Kramer. Is it good? Kramer. I'm very new in American jewelry reselling business. I do it honestly just couple months, but I know some brands, some of them they are new for me. Goldet NYC. Goldet. These bracelets need some. Oh no, I thought it's almost broken, but it's fine. Look at this. It's definitely a good one for my store. Enamel again, says Giovanni here. It's signed. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful pin. Giovanni. Great size. I've seen this necklace on pictures when I choose this lot, and I think it's 1928. Yeah, it's 1928. I hope you see. I had one almost the same necklace. It sold very fast. It's in great shape. Nice. Oh god. As you hear, I'm obsessed with jewelry, you know, so I'm just too excited to get every of my bag. SAL. It says SAL. Like new. It looks like new. Perfect shape. What else? Oh, this one seems like Swarovski. Please, please, please. Be Swarovski. No. It says Two Sisters. And it doesn't look expensive, but it looks fine, you know. I have the same one from Swarovski. Two Sisters. I should Google this name. Okay, this one is Art Deco style, I guess. If not, please correct me. Art. This actually is the third item from Art. The first one sold very fast. It was a brooch, and I still don't know the value of this brand. I couldn't Google it. I didn't find it anywhere, so maybe you know, please help. This one signed too. Oh my god, they all are signed. What? Why? It's great for me. It says AK here. Let's try to focus. No, my phone doesn't listen to me. AK. Oh, it's a little bit old. I mean, not a great shape, you know. On the picture it was better. Oh, nice. Great. Especially I know that butterfly is a very collected thing. Collectible? No. It says I have no idea. Oh my god. It's cursive. Did I say it correct? Cursive letters, so it's difficult a little bit to read. They're calling what? Direct one? No. I have no idea. I should Google it too. My husband reads cursive letters better than me, definitely. What else? Batch, Rachel Liu. Rachel Liu? Rachel Liu. Looks pretty old, unfortunately. Not in good shape. Oh god, this one is rusty. Kramer. It says Kramer. This one is it's like broken. Doesn't seem good. This is the second one. Oh god, it's scratched a lot. It's rusty a little bit. Maybe it's good for sale, you know. Oh, I think I know what is that. Golded, yeah, New York. Golded, New York. Not great condition, but it's like a piece of art. Look at this cameo, stone, flower, I think it's just crystals, not real amethyst or, again, amethyst, you know. But I think I saw this bracelet on eBay and it was not something very cheap, you know. Oh god, this is the second one. Is it scratch or just dirt? Oh, it's dirt. Nice. It's just a dirt. I will clean them. And look how beautiful they are. Fashionista. Oh god. I like this style. Ooh, very nice bracelet. I feel how quality it is. High quality. It says artisan on the clasp. Let's focus, please focus. I need new camera. It looks fantastic. It needs to be cleaned, a little bit to wash, but it looks very nice. We have a couple. Ooh, I can feel the quality. Oh my god. It's gold plated and it's so well made. Let's open the clasp. Please don't be broken. It's not signed on the clasp, but we should check the pendant. It says SAL and pendant is beautiful. It's so beautiful. Crystals are so shiny, it's so clean. No any signs of wear. It's like new. Beautiful. What else? Louis Seagull. It says Louis Seagull. A couple of earrings like that. I'm glad every earring has its own couple. I'm so glad. What else? Ooh, I like multi-layered everything. Clasp works. It's signed Park Lane, which is better than nothing. And it's in perfect condition. Look, it's perfect. Nice. I would wear it actually with some t-shirts. Yeah, no, in this heat I don't wear too much. Okay, this one is beautiful too. Is it signed? No, it's not. Clasp is a little bit weak. I should fix it. Oh, it's signed. It says SAL. It's like a choker. Beautiful. Okay, this one is fantastic. It needs some care, definitely. What's the name? Cacharel? What is that? Cacharel. No, still doesn't focus. It says CACHAREL. Cacharel. I will Google it. It's so handsome. Another brooch. It's Giovanni. They are really similar. I think it's one collection. Yeah, both of them says Giovanni. This old earring, find its couple. I don't know what to do with them. They're too old for this world. I found the second one. Oh god, they are beautiful. Oh, they wear it like this. Cheeky. Oh, nice. I saw these earrings on the picture. I was so excited. Look at them. God. SAL, they said. Beautiful. Where's the second one? It's here. They both are in great condition. Clean. No stones are missing. Beautiful. What's the biggest one? What is that? It says PEEP. P-E-P. What is that? Oh my god. I hate brooches like that. I mean, big one, huge one. I don't think someone will like that, the brooch that big. I mean, it's like 4 inches long, even maybe more. Okay, I found the second one. So every earring has its own couple. Nice, no missing. This one says, what is that? Mode, M-O-D, mode. But look how beautiful they are. Sunflower. Very good condition, just like new. Oh my god, this lot is amazing. Almost every item is in very good shape. Look at my treasures. I enjoyed this unpacking. Thank you for listening, my Russian accent, and thank you for all your subscribes and likes and thumbs ups. Let's keep in touch. Again, my name is Irina. I can show you my beautiful bracelet that I found last thrifting. It was in Goodwill's box, and it's genuine pearls with 925 silver, sterling silver. And as you noticed, I wear the American flags bracelets because today is the 3rd of July. Tomorrow is the Independence Day. My congratulations to everyone, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have fun, have a nice day, and have a nice holidays. Bye bye.